We have just finished looking at two different shapes and analyzing them to discover if they're similar or not. Now what we want to do is we're actually going to use scale factor to come up with some of our own shapes that are similar. Because if we use a scale factor and we multiply every side of the shape by the same number, our new shape will be similar. Okay? So read this with me, please. After 2, 1, 2. Similar figures have the same shape but may have different sizes. The different sizes are related to the scale factor of dilation. Okay, so remember we talked about scale factor. If the scale factor was greater than 1, then the dilation, the new figure, was also larger. So larger than 1, larger figure. If it was less than 1, okay, so if our scale factor is less than 1 or between 0 and 1, then our new image will be smaller. And what happens if our scale factor is 1? It's going to be the same size. Okay? So here we have a picture. And we've got this dog, and we've got a picture of a dog that's 2 inches by 3 inches. And we want to make this picture larger. And in example 3, it talks about this person, Ken, is going to enlarge the photo by using a scale factor of 2. So it actually ends up being very simple. All I have to do is multiply both the dimensions, the length and the width, by the scale factor. Remember, sometimes the scale factor is represented by K. So the scale factor is 2. So I'm going to do 3 times 2, which equals what? And I'm going to do 2 times 2, which equals 4. And so our new image, this is obviously not scale, is going to be 6 by 4. So after using a scale factor of 2, the new image is going to be 6 inches by 4 inches. The only problem is, then there's more. Ken says he then has to enlarge the photo again by a scale factor of 1.5. So 1.5, remember, bigger than 1, so it's getting larger. So what am I going to do now with a scale factor of 1.5? Very good, Morgan. I'm going to multiply it by 6 and by 4. 6 times 1.5 is going to equal 9. 4 times 1.5 is going to equal 6. And so the dimensions of my new photo are going to be 9 inches by 6 inches. All right, so let's recap what we just did. They gave us the dimensions of the photograph, right here and here, 3 and 2. We multiplied both of them by the scale factor. Remember, the scale factor was 2, and so we multiplied both of them by the scale factor of 2 and got our new dimensions. Then they gave us another scale factor of 1.5, so we multiplied the length and the width by the scale factor of 1.5 and ended up with our new dimensions of 9 times 6. All right, there's a very similar problem, and they got it on the next page. I want you guys to try that one by yourself.